Safety specialist Bonnie.
What do I do with this?
And what are we doing here, Bonnie?
Running a scissor lift.
A scissors lift. Okay.
Scissor lift.
Okay, just one of them.
Yes.
And you got a lot of things you have to make
A
sure.
lot
you
of
don't do.
warning labels.
A lot of warning labels.
Yes. Don't tip it over. Don't jump out.
There's like 30 warning labels there.
Yeah, probably
okay.
more. The
So how do you
manuals
fire
are-
this thing up?
The manuals are in here.
You have done this before, right?
It's been a few years.
Okay, we'll see what happens. Okay, now somebody from the safety authorities are going to be here. Dustin Austin, I'm sorry.
From the Safety Council.
There you go. All right, so he's giving her hands on. She's got the horn on.
That's the important part.
She tested the horn already.
Yep.
We can see we have the power on. We verified we have enough charge because we don't want to go up there if we don't have enough charge.
Okay.
We've got this button right here, which allows us to control either ground with this joystick or the basket raise and lower.
Okay.
So depending on how this is positioned, it'll tell us what this is going to do. If it's in this way and I push it forward, it's going to go forward. If I pull it back, it's going to go backwards. As well,
Is the front?
this is the front right here.
Front?
And this is the steering wheel right here.
Okay.
Be aware that these wheels will not go back to center once you position this. So you always got to be aware of the wheel down here. So this will get us driving around and steering. If we flip it over here, we'll be able to use this control for up and down.
Okay.
Now this little trigger on the front, that's your dead man switch. What that means is,
Would it be a dead woman switch in this case, right?
the dead woman switch.
Okay.
Dead person switch.
There we go.
If I can move this joystick all I want if I'm not pressing that, and this machine will not do anything. But if I want to do something, I've got to squeeze and hold that, and then we can go up and down. So since we're in raise and lower, let's have you try out raising and lowering this device.
Okay, Bonnie's going to try to raise and lower it after all that instruction. She's still not really clear, but we're going to give it a go here. So she's got the little trigger there. There they go. Up. Oh, no, they went down. No, okay.
Now, since we're up,
All right. So there you go.
that way goes up, back goes down.
I forgot the dead person.
Dead woman switch, right?
There she goes. Wow. And as she's coming back down, see, you can be a hands-on equipment operator here at the North Dakota Safety Council. You did a good job.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
The more I
Okay.
push this,